I'd go to Eric Worre's wall, and I would start instituting and initiating conversation with network marketers as fast as I could, because he's got a wall full of generic leads that are all saying, I love Eric. That's where I'd go. I'd go to his wall because there's so many people, and I would just start figuring out people I had things in common with, and I'd find some network marketers to start dialogue with and get going. That would, it just being laser straight, and Eric Worre might not even be that happy to hear that. But you know what? Here's the deal. 100 product users are going to find you one or two good business builders. That's the stat. 100 business builders are going to find you 10,000 product users. And if I had to start over tomorrow, I have to go with that ratio. I can't go with the 2 out of 100. I've got to go with the network marketers that are out there looking for me.